What's up, rockers, future rockers, and people of the internet? I'm Ross Hunter, president of ROQUS. I am here with Christopher, general manager of Stakes Manufacturing. Wanted to talk to him today about the culture here at Stakes, their values, what you guys got going on.
What you'll see here at Stakes Manufacturing are people of all ages, races, genders, identities. You know, we speak 4 languages here, including American Sign Language. We employ disabled individuals as well as veterans. You see it right when you walk in the door. You get it every time you have an interview with us. I mean, it's front and center.
How was learning this machine? How was integrating these into the business?
Your technicians that were on site were incredibly helpful, walking not only our facilities team through the process, but our managers, our fulfillment manager, all of our leaders here, showing them step by step how this machine works. So we've trained a number of folks here on these machines excitedly. Folks that were flipping folding forever, they see this and their eyes explode, like, yes, let's go, you know? So they see this thing moving, they want to learn it. This might be the first machine they have ever touched in their lives.
Well, Chris, thanks for your time with me today, man. I appreciate learning more about the company here, learning more about how you guys have integrated this technology. Rock on, dude.
Rock on.